You're literally throwing money away every time you walk into a home decor store. And you don't even know it. I used to spend hundreds every season refreshing my space and end up with a cluttered mess. These 5 swaps cut a decor budget by over 60%, and the space looks even better. Stay till the end. Swap number 5 is the one that surprises everyone. Let's get into it. Swap number 1, this one hurts because we all love them. Stop spending $30 to $50 on designer candles that burn out in 40 hours. You're not buying a candle, you're buying the jar and the brand name printed on it. The actual scent throw? Wax melts beat candles almost every single time. A bag of wax melts costs $6 to $8 and lasts 3 to 4 times longer. And the warmer itself? A decent one is $15 and lasts for years. If you want a candle for display, one unscented pillar candle costs under $5. Same aesthetic, zero burn cost. And your room smells incredible from the wax melts anyway. Estimated annual savings on this swap alone, around $200 to $300. This swap will change how you shop forever. Stop buying whole throw pillows. You are paying $40 to $60 for fabric stuffed with cheap polyester fill. All you need is one good pillow insert. Buy it once and keep it for years. IKEA's inserts are $7 to $12 and are genuinely well made. Then buy only the cover, $5 to $15 on Amazon or Etsy. Want to refresh your whole living room? Just swap the covers, not the pillows. 4 pillows refreshed twice a year, $8 instead of over $300. Velvet, linen, boucle, knit. Every texture is available as a cover. This single swap saves most households $300 to $400 a year. Gallery walls are everywhere, and stores know you'll pay anything for matching frames. A single 8x10 frame from a decor store can run $30 to $80. Thrift stores are full of frames. People donate them constantly. Prices start under $2. Yes, they're all different, but that actually works in your favor for a layered, curated look. 1 can of matte black spray paint, $5 at any hardware store, transforms all of them. 2 light coats, 20 minutes to dry. And every frame looks like a matching set. The result is a gallery wall that looks completely custom and intentional. For the art inside, free high-resolution images are available online. Print locally for $2. A full gallery wall of 8 frames, under $30. The store version, $500 or more. Accent furniture, side tables, ottomans, consoles. These are the biggest money traps in decor. A simple rattan side table at a mainstream store, $180. Facebook Marketplace and secondhand apps have the exact same pieces for $10 to $40. Solid wood ages beautifully. Rattan doesn't break down. Pre-loved often outlasts new retail. Check listings every 2 or 3 days and move fast when the right piece appears. If a piece needs a refresh, new hardware, or a coat of paint, that's a $20 fix. Entire rooms can be furnished from secondhand sources for under $200, and when your taste changes, which it will, you can resell for what you paid. New retail furniture loses 60% of its value the moment you leave the store. Pre-loved loses 0. This is the swap that makes everyone angry once they realize it. Store wall art is a complete markup. That $60 print is a JPEG file printed on cardstock and placed in a cheap frame. Free websites like Unsplash have thousands of stunning high-resolution images, legally downloadable. Download, drop it into a free design tool, size it to 11 by 14. Takes 2 minutes. Send it to a local print shop. An 11 by 14 print costs about $3. $3 print, $8 thrifted frame, $11 total. Looks like it costs $200. And when you want a new look, print a new image. Total refresh for $3. These 5 swaps together can realistically save you over $1,000 every single year. Your home doesn't need to be expensive to look beautiful. It just needs to be intentional. Save this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more every week.